Good morning, my friends. What up? We know what time it is. It's time for a cup of coffee. It's another beautiful early morning out here. A little overcast, burning off. Going to be a beautiful day. The ocean's calm. I hope you're having a wonderful day. What are you grateful for this morning? Are you grateful for getting out of bed? Grateful that you woke up another day? You have another day? The question I asked this morning is, did you learn anything? And the origin of that question is actually quite intriguing. Let's see. Jules, good morning. Hi. How are you? I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. Jules, did you learn anything? So, two people can read the same book, and one person makes a massive change in their life, and the other person makes no change. What made the difference? Reading a book doesn't mean you learned anything. How many times have you heard something and you thought, well, I've heard that before. Okay, wonderful. Well, you heard it before. But did you do anything about it? Did you really learn it? So there's a difference between gathering information and really learning something. People come out of college with a degree. They're highly educated. They've gathered a lot of information. But did they learn anything? There are some pretty dumb college graduates and some pretty smart people that never went to grade school. Going to school, reading a book, getting an education, listening to a lecture, attending a course, don't guarantee that you learn anything. You can gather a lot of information. You can pontificate. You can sound really smart. But do you understand the material? Did you assimilate it? Did you study it? Did you take action on it? Did you learn something from it? That's the critical question. Did you learn something from it? And learning means implementing. It means putting into action those things that we learned. Good morning, Candace. Good morning. I'm talking about the difference between gathering information and really learning something. So often we read a book, we listen to a lecture, we attend a webinar, we go to a class, we take a course, and we think we've learned something. But if we didn't really study the material and implement in our life, take action on the material in our life, then we didn't learn anything. We simply gathered information. And gathering information doesn't guarantee us any success at all. Good morning, Leanne. Hello, it says I can wave to you. All right, I'll wave. I waved. So, the next time you pick up a book, listen to a webinar, go to a class, ask yourself, am I gathering information or am I actually going to learn something? Am I going to implement something? One thing, two things, three things. Nguyen, good morning. Haven't seen you for a while. How you been, buddy? Because once again, when I'm talking to people, when I'm coaching people that are going to go to an event, for example, they're going to go to a 2 or 3 day event. What I challenge them to do is to find three things in the event, even if it's several days long. Find three things that you're actually going to take away from the event and go implement in your daily life to either improve your business, improve your life, whatever it is you're working on. Good morning, Robert. Good morning. Talking about the difference between learning and gathering information. So often people say, well, I've heard that before. Well, yeah, you've heard it before, but did you do anything about it? Did you implement it in your daily life? Did you take action? Or did you just gather information? That's all. I've said it 3 times, maybe 4 times. I don't want to repeat it again. And those of you who came on late, if you want to, start at the beginning and listen to everything I have to say. Or not, up to you. So you have a wonderful day. I hope you're planning to be happy. I am. And remember, be compassion. The world needs a whole lot more of that. We'll talk again tomorrow. Bye for now.